Okay, I want to go over some of the things that we'll be fixing in this epic standardized deletion experience. And the main the main objective of this epic is to make the deletion experience for groups and projects consistent across the product. And right now there's a lot of them are pretty minor, but a lot of like minor UX differences, like deleting a project in this part of the product versus this part. So I'm going to go through those changes, and then when we complete this epic, I'll do another video showing how the deletion experience is consistent. So first off, the list view. So we have these sub epics, and yeah, so there's group and project the groups and projects can be deleted from the list views, and we want to make those consistent. So for example, right now, if I delete this project, so it's going to say delete, and then I delete this, and then it's going to go into the inactive tab. Um, and then this just says delete. And then let's do the same thing with groups. So we'll delete this group, it says delete. Uh, Confirm. And then here it says delete immediately. There's also different actions in different order, for example. So we want to make this all consistent, and make sure that the labels are the same and they're in the same order and the drop downs look the same. So that's the plan for that. And then also the modals. So you can see this is the project modal, and then deleting a group is a little bit different. So we want to make the modals the same. Um, so that's the main points we're trying to hit on the list view. Um, then the detail view. So that is if you go to a group or project, we want to we're going to use the same drop down we were just looking at view component here. So we'll have the same actions in the same order with the same consistency right here. And that'll be the case for groups and projects. So if you go to a project, same thing here. So we want to bring consistency between the project list and group list and the overview actions up here. So that's what this epic is about. Or sorry, this one, the detail view. Then the settings card. So that's also so you can delete um, a group or project in in the settings. So this is a group settings, and then oops, project setting. Again, we want to bring consistency here. So deleting a project, deleting a group. This is different. Um, and then yeah, that's the main thing. We just want to have consistent modals here, and then these cards consistently with consistent copy. Um, And then, yeah, and then like the second deletion. So when it's in pending deletion, we want to make that the same as well. The feedback. So these are mostly copy changes. We just want to make sure like when you actually go delete a group or project. So, um, let me delete this. So we want to just make sure the copy and the toast is the same. When you deleting, restoring, in every part of the product. Um, and then finally is the alerts. So if you go to, well, I just deleted the one that was pending, but we can go to a group. Um, Inactive. So these alerts, we want to make sure these are consistent across the product as well. So these are mostly copy changes as well. Um, and yeah, that's kind of the general overview, and everything we're looking to unify across the product. And then, yeah, like I said, I'll make another video when we complete this work to show the work that we've done and how it all works a little bit better and is more consistent.